From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big night on crypto. Tonight's evening's crypto goes over your top coins of 2021, and the top cryptocurrencies I've been picking and been recommending since Wednesday are going to the moon. 4 coins, which I recommended a week ago, have had up days every single day practically. And as the markets tanked over consecutive days this week and yesterday as well, these coins continue to outperform, going up day after day. But guess what? To those 4 coins, we're adding 2 new ones tonight. Really incredible, great news. This is Evening's Crypto. How are you? And this is LA. We have 2 shows a day, morning crypto in the morning, evening's crypto at night, and then our live feed. This is LA. How are you? Hope you're having a beautiful night across the board. In tonight's recording, we're going to look at those 4 coins that I predicted would be game changers. And those predictions came in last week. Polygon, Cardano, KUSAMA, and Aave. We'll be checking back and seeing what's going on with those coins tonight. But my 2 coins, which we have been tracking but not recommending, 2 are making the list. I'll be going over which coins are adding to our new prediction coins I'm predicting you to go to the moon. It's a big night across the board. I'm really excited for you, and thank you for joining me on a big night of Evening's Crypto. You know, the market for cryptocurrency has been exactly what we thought it would be over the last few days. The market traded up Saturday. By Saturday noontime, it started to downturn. It was down Saturday, down Sunday, and then late Sunday started to uptick a little bit. Then on Monday, most coins were down. It was a sea of cryptocurrency downturning. But my 4 coins were trading up. Let's go over the coins again that I predicted a week ago and that viewers have already been making a fortune on in just less than 7 days. We'll be going over where they were when I predicted them, where they were on Saturday, where they were on Monday, and then we're going to go over where they were tonight. First, let's start with Polygon. Polygon was 112 when I recommended it. On Saturday, it went to 170. On Monday, it went to 171. My price prediction is $3. Let's see where it is Tuesday night. Then Aave. It was 516 when I recommended it. Shot to 574 after a 610 Saturday. My price prediction is 710. We'll see where it is tonight. And then I predicted KUSAMA to go to 700 when it was only a $450 coin. Remember, you don't have to spend $450 to get a KUSAMA. You can spend $20, a dollar to get a coin. I'll be going over the introductory elements to begin cryptocurrency trading tonight. You'll be able to cryptocurrency trade by the end of this recording. I make it that easy, and I do it every night on this channel. And then Cardano, when I recommended it was $1.68, it went to $2 on Monday. So we'll check back on those 4 coins. Plus, we'll get a preview of the 2 coins that are making the list. Which ones are going from tracking to recommendation tonight? We'll be looking at the charts across the board and which charts you want to focus on. And we'll actually jump into one of the trading apps because people have been asked, how do I buy coins? I'll actually show you how to buy a coin right on air tonight. We make it that easy breezy. And with that, let's jump into the split screen. CoinMarketCap.com is in the split screen over to me. What is CoinMarketCap.com? It is a excellent website that lists all the cryptocurrency coins in largest to smallest. First largest is number 1, and then smallest down the track. What's easy to understand about the coins is that there's not a lot of coins out there. So the easy thing about cryptocurrency, to start off 101, Crypto 101, is that unlike stocks that could be hundreds and hundreds of stocks on multiple exchanges, when you look at the cryptocurrency, if you've already known the history of 30 coins, you know the industry. It's not a particularly difficult industry to learn. In all of 20 minutes of looking through the charts of 30 coins, you can get used to all the 30 coins. Now, there are more than 30 coins, but in terms of market capitalization, you go at 70 coins. You can know all 70 coins in about 2 hours and you're done. So it's not a difficult industry to meet the coins. So there they are. Next, every coin is a different purchase. So you can buy 1 coin, you can buy 2 coins. I'm recommending 4 to 9, and I'm adding 2 to the list. And we're going to start with the top coins across the board. Now, what's important to understand when you're looking at coins, they're going to give you 2 tracking elements, the 7-day and the 1-day. So we're going to look at the 1-day and the 7-day and look at what's happening. This morning when I was on air, On morning's crypto, coins were generally up for the 7-day. And up for the up for the 1 day, but down for the 7-day. The market was up this morning and up about 8%. Tonight it's down. So it's buying opportunity tonight. If you have not bought, tonight may be opportunity. Bitcoin down 7-day and 24 hours. Ethereum flat, but for the 1 day, but down for the 7-day substantially. Cardano, my first pick. Let's check in with Cardano because Cardano is number 4 in market capitalization. Let's pull up the chart on Cardano. So here's the chart on Cardano. You see how it has really upticked in the last few days. Let's see where Cardano was. Excuse me, that was an older chart. Let me bring you tonight's chart of Cardano. Here's Cardano tonight. So Cardano, this is not a 1-day chart, but a chart over the last few months. You see how Cardano has delivered incredible return of money for viewers and also for long-time holders. So let's go over the numbers on Cardano and see where it was, where it is, and where it's going. So Cardano, my price predictions, $3 in 7 days. It was 168 on Wednesday when I recommended it. Saturday went to 228. Sunday was a down day. Monday was $2. Let's see where Cardano is tonight. 198. So Cardano is still up, but it is not performing well as much as I would like since Saturday. So this is important why you need to track coins. You need to stalk them and track them. So Cardano had a very big social media push last week, and that's why it started to trade up. But here's what you need to know is Cardano is not had a positive day since Saturday. It's 198 today. Cardano is down for the day, up 11%. So you're making a profit when I recommended it. But since Saturday, it is down. All right, let's pull out further on the chart and see any coins making interesting news tonight. Well, then there is Solana. Solana. So Solana is one of those coins which I think this is the Solana chart. I guessed right. Here's Solana. You're looking at Gemini.com, one of the applications that you can purchase coins on. You can buy coins on Gemini. It's Gemini.com. It is both on a computer and both on your phone. It does not carry every coin, but it carries a lot of coins. And here's the chart for Solana tonight. Now you see how good that chart is. The reason why I like that chart is obvious. It had a down tick for a very short period of time. It looks like it's about 4 days, 3 days, and it's been straight up. Why has Solana been up? An analyst was on broadcast news this morning saying that people have been selling out of Bitcoin and getting into Solana. Well, what's Solana doing tonight? And why am I recommending Solana for the first time tonight? Because it has absolutely been incredible. It is up 20% today and up 28% for the 7-day. It is the only coin in the top 15 of market capitalization that has over a 1% gain today and a gain in the last 7 days. So it is outperforming every coin that is of bigger value. So when we pull out the chart on Solana and we look at the chart together, what's important to understand is that this chart is absolutely incredible. The 1 day shows Solana up. The 7-day shows Solana in a holding pattern for a few days, but breaking down the last few days. So Solana is a buy. I'm recommending Solana tonight for the first time ever. All right, let's go down in our coins after Solana. Dogecoin is having a struggle tonight again. It is down 3%. It is down 4%. So Doge has not had a 7-day uptrend. Here's what you need to know when looking at a coin. What I always tell viewers is you need to know where your basis was. What price did you buy the coin at? Did you buy it at $1? Here's why you need to know it. It's because every single day I have a friend that says, or I have someone that will come up to me and say, my coin is up today. Oh, which coin do you have? And they'll tell me the coin. I'm like, but that's been down for 7 days. It's been down for 2 weeks. Yeah, but it's up today. Yeah, but you've lost money over the last 2 weeks. Here's an example. You buy a coin at $1 and then it goes to 25 cents. And then suddenly it's up 30% in 1 day to 30 cents. It's up. Yeah, but you lost 70%. You lost 70% of your value in the last week. Why are we celebrating here? So you need to know the basis of your coin. All right, let's go to the other coins that are making big moves tonight and the coins that I'm recommending after Solana. Stellar, some people are asking about Stellar. I'm not recommending Stellar still. Why? Stellar's down for the 7-day and down for the 24-hour. But then we get to Polygon. Polygon remains the poster child of this channel. I recommended Polygon almost a week ago, and let's see how well viewers have made money on it. A lot of viewers have bought Polygon from my recommendation. When I recommend Polygon, it was $1.12. Saturday it went to $1.70. Monday it went to $1.71. Where is it tonight? $2.42. Oh my goodness. Polygon was $1.12 when I recommended it's $2.42. You have doubled your money, and it has not even been a week. Can you imagine? I recommended it was $1.12. It is $2.42. Even if you had bought it yesterday, you would have got to about 50% return your money. Polygon, I'm saying, is going to go to $3. I think that is an easy bet at this point. So if you're on the Gemini app and you're like, I want to buy some Polygon, how do I do it? Let's pull up that Gemini app right now so you see what it looks like. So you go to Gemini and you would look down the list and you would find Polygon. And then when you find Polygon, then you would choose it and then pull up the chart. And this is the chart that it would be. There's Polygon. That's a 1-day chart. So I'm in very tight on the 1-day chart. So if you want to buy Polygon as a beginner, guess what? You don't have to spend $2 for the coin. You can spend less. Not on Gemini. They have a minimum of $20. But a lot of platforms, you can spend $1 on your first purchase. 50 cents. You don't have to buy a $40,000 Bitcoin. You can buy $20 a Bitcoin or $10 a Bitcoin. So here's Polygon. Has there been dips in Polygon? There have been dips in Polygon. So now as I follow with my mouse, watch how I'm following on the mouse and I'm showing you these dips. So where was the most noticeable dip? This was a dip right in here. This went on for a while. So it was more than an hour. A clear dip here that went on throughout the day. Then it spiked up here. And then it took another substantial dip. And that dip went on for a certain amount of time. So now as we go out to the end of the chart, it's down ticking. So if you want to be greedy, just watch it. It may down tick. It has had a resistance level. Resistance level, we're going to go over in a second. But you see here at the top of the chart, it didn't go above this level and it didn't go above that level over here. On this side, it's not going below this level either. So we see a trading range, not below a level and not above a level. So if it breaks below the level, it may get lower. Where is that? I think that says 240. It's sort of hard to read on my screen, but I think it's 210 or 240. So if it breaks below that level, buy. But of course, you want to be greedy on your purchase. Solana and Polygon up 38% for the day, up 124%. My viewers are getting a lot of money out of Polygon. Again, that was among my 4 picks several days ago when I recommend 112. Let's go down on the chart and see which coins are next on the list and how they're doing tonight. There comes Aave. Aave is really incredible, great news as well. You know, I hope you are following at home on coinmarketcap.com so you realize how good this channel has been delivering on these coins. You see a series of coins over and over and over again that are all down, and the coins I'm picking are all up. These coins have just continued to outperform. Here's Aave. I recommend it on Wednesday, $5.16. Again, you don't have to spend $516. You can just buy $20 of Aave on Gemini.com. And on Saturday, it went up to 610. Sunday, clearly, it took a beating because by Monday, it was up at 574. So where is Aave tonight? 633. Wow. So if you were patient and bought it on Monday, seeing my recommendation on let's say you missed my recommendation on Wednesday, you tuned into this show, which is 2 times a day, and you tuned in on Saturday, and you're like, it's too expensive now. But then you waited and you bought it on Monday at 574. Well, tonight you're at 633. I mean, 633 from 574, that's a big, nice movement. My price target is 700 in Aave. If it goes to 700 in Aave, you will have made, I think that's about 40% return your money in less than 7 days. Incredible, great news. There's Aave. Aave, you can equally buy on the Gemini app. So if you're a beginner and you're learning how to buy, you see a coin, you're like, I like that one. Or I want to go learn about Aave. So you go to the Gemini app, you look for Aave. I think I have a chart of Aave. No, I don't have a chart of Aave. So you go through and you find the respective coin. Here's not Aave, here's Solana. And you look at the chart and say, I got it. Let me look at that's a 1 day. No, that's not a 1 day chart. Let me look at a coin that's a 1 day. They're synthetic. I'm getting a sense. That's how you choose the coin. You want to price it right and understand how to buy the coin at the right price point. I'll be going over how to buy a coin at a particular price point in a second when I go over buying on the dip. But let's go back over the other coins making moves tonight. So as we go further on market capitalization, Shiba's down again. Shiba's down 50% for the last 7 days. Has Shiba had an up day over the last 7 days? No. So Shiba continues to struggle. If you look at its 7 day, it is abysmal. No one can tell you their Shiba is up because Shiba has been down for 7 days. If you bought it, unless you bought it a while ago, if you bought it in the last 6 days, you're taking a bath on Shiba. That's why you want to be very careful on when you buy a coin and what coin you buy. And then we come to KUSAMA, which I recommended. It was among my top 4 picks. Let's see where KUSAMA is tonight as one of those top 4 picks. When I recommended KUSAMA, it was, there's something in there. Slide on the dip. Let's take that out. There you go. When I recommended KUSAMA, it was 450. Let's see how KUSAMA is doing tonight. KUSAMA was on Wednesday, 450. Saturday, 604. Monday was 578. How's KUSAMA doing tonight? 593. Good. So it is caught back to its losses from Sunday, and it's trying to break to its Saturday levels of 604. So KUSAMA is 593 tonight, but guess what? It was higher today. It's up 34% for the 7 day. KUSAMA is an example of how you want to be aggressive in your purchase price. How high did KUSAMA get today? It got to 623 today. So there's an example. KUSAMA got to 623, but it's 594 tonight. So could you buy KUSAMA at a 580? Yeah. Let's look how low KUSAMA has gotten today. KUSAMA got to 560 today. So yes, you can be very aggressive. You can be very aggressive and still get it at a good price. All right, let's go back out and do our split screen and see other coins that are making big moves across the board. I think I skipped synthetic. Let me go back and see if I did, because synthetic is joining our list of coins tonight as well. As we pull up, no, I didn't. Okay, I'll pull down. So now after Aave and after KUSAMA, what other coins are sparking interest tonight as well? Well, Avalanche is doing nicely, but not a coin that I would yet purchase. And then there's Hedera, which a lot of people ask me about. It is up 9% for today. It is up 50%. It was one of the coins I had been focusing on back on Wednesday. It's had its struggles. It gets attention because it's a 32-cent coin. But remember, just because a coin is cheap does not mean a reason for you to buy it. Remember, when you're looking at a coin, if a coin is $40,000, it doesn't mean you have to spend $40,000 to buy the coin. You can spend $5 on the coin. You can buy 10 cents of the coin, $1 of the coin. Some platforms like Gemini have a minimum of $20, which brings us to synthetic. Synthetic is on Gemini, and it's one of my new picks tonight. I'm adding it to the list. Synthetic's being added to the list with Solana because of its incredible price move. It's up 10% right now, up 23% for the 7 day. Solana is $22.78. And why do I like synthetic? Let's look at the chart on synthetic, which I think is right here. There you go. There's synthetic. Now, initially, I didn't like synthetic because it was downtrending and then regaining those speeds. But look at synthetic. It's breaking through that resistance level. Synthetic is going for the upside. So now I have more confidence with synthetic. Ultimately, you want to be cautious that you're buying it at the correct price and not buying on the slide. So now let's go over what buying on the slide means, buying on a dip means versus buying on the slide. Here's buying on the dip. You're watching Polygon. You're looking at Polygon. Polygon was trading in a relatively flat area, and then it dipped. That's a dip. You buy on a dip when a price point drops for a short period of time. It's 10, it's 10.10, it's 10.20, 10.30, 10.40, 9.90, 9.90, and then drops to 8.40 for 10 seconds or an hour, 2 hours, 8.40, 8.20, and then pops right back up to 10.10, 10.20. That's why you want to buy it. Here's an example of not a dip. This is buying on a slide. This is why you don't want to buy a coin buying on a slide. Here's Doge down. It was 48, then 49, then 40, then 47, then 45. You don't want to buy a coin that continues to slide. How do you know if it's a slide or a dip? You look at where its trading range is. You look at the trading range over a 1 day and over a 7 day and over a narrow period of time, like a 5 day. And here you go. The coin goes up, the coin goes down. Why do you not like this? Because you're not going to make money. You're going to buy it at a price point, it's going to go up, and it's not going to go over the red line. And even if you buy it at the bottom red line, it's going to go to the top red line and just stop. That's not a lot of profit. That's why we don't want to buy a coin that's trading in a range. You don't want to buy a coin that's sliding down. You want to buy a coin that's dipping. And you want to go buy a coin that is uptrending. So here's an example of a great chart, Polygon. You see how that's a great chart, but you see at the end of the chart. You see at that end of the chart, let me get with my mouse here. You see right here what's happening with Polygon. It is down ticking. So that is a price opportunity. It is broken out of the resistance level. I think I showed this chart just earlier in this video. So now you see it's breaking out of its lower resistance level. It is trading down. So you may have an opportunity to buy Polygon while this is a tape show. You know what I'm talking about. Let's look at another chart. Here is synthetic. So synthetic has broken out of its top end resistance level. Look at that. You are looking at I think it's a 1 month chart. So I'm out much further, but look how it is really broken out of that resistance level. The resistance level was probably around this middle of this chart, right around here. And now look how high it's broken out of that resistance level. There is Solana. Solana, I mean, look at that. Solana has no resistance level. It did have a dip, but that dip went on for a while. I mean, there are short-term dips, but that was a substantial pullback that went on for a few days. But look at what's going on. A lot of people getting out of Bitcoin and getting into Solana. And there's Cardano. So Cardano, you can't see it on this chart. Well, maybe you can. It went up and it's down ticking. So you got to be careful about down ticking. Is it going to continue to down tick, or is it just a short correction for a short period of time? There you go. So what do you want to do when you're buying a coin? How should you be focused? How do you buy it? How do you get in and out? Here's some introductory comments for beginners getting into cryptocurrency. First, choose one coin. No need to have 5 coins. Just choose one coin that you want to buy. I like that particular coin that LALATE recommended, whether it's Polygon or KUSAMA or Aave or Cardano or the new entries tonight, Solana or Synthetic. You hear a coin, I like that one. You look at the chart. Oh, I really like that. That's one I'm going to buy. Then how do you buy it? You go to a platform. The platforms for the big coins are Gemini and Coinbase. There's also Robinhood and there is Webull. You choose the platform. Not every coin is on every platform. For reasons we don't know, certain big coins are not on big platforms. So Cardano is not on Gemini, for example. But you find the coin you like, and then you stock the coin. That's what I call it. I call it stock the coin. You want to be aggressive on your price. You don't want to just buy at that moment. So first of all, decide how much you want to spend. Maybe you want to spend just $5 to start, $20 to start. You want to get used to the situation. So you want to buy $20 on, let's say, synthetic. Okay, so $20 synthetic. What price do I want? Then you look at the 1 day chart. Oh, it dropped nicely yesterday. Maybe I can get that price again. Now, a lot of the platforms have price alerts where it can send an alert to your cell phone or send an alert to your computer when it drops below a price. That's a great function, great feature. So for example, let's say you want to buy a coin at $1.10. Set the price alert at $1.30. Don't set it at $1.10. Set it at $1.30 so that it says, oh, we're falling. Get to your computer right away, dude. Get to your computer. It's falling. You don't want to set it at the price that you want to get it at. You want to set it a little bit above that price. So the alert sends to your phone, $1.30. Get to your computer. It may get to your hopeful price, which is $1.10. And then you get to the computer or get to your phone. And then you watch it. It's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping. And then when you're ready to put the trade order in, you put it in, you press send, and you're done. It is now executed the order. Now you own $20 of that coin at $1.10, which you took the time to buy it. Then what do you do with the coin? You sit back, you watch for it to move. You hope it goes up. Then ultimately, when do you sell? It depends on the person. Every coin has a different approach to it. For example, some people have coins they want to keep for 5, 6, 7 years. So let's say you had Ethereum and you bought it $1,000 and it's now $2,000, $3,000. You're probably going to hold it because you think it's going to go to $10, maybe $10,000 later this year, and you buy $1,000. You'll make a lot of money on it. But other coins, maybe you just want to go in, get a profit after a week or two, your 30% return your money, and get out. Maybe you just want to practice. Practice is perfect. You want to put $20 in. You want to see if you can turn $20 into $40, then cash out at $40. I practiced. I went in at $20. I got out at $40. I had a lot of fun. I learned how that worked. That's another approach. Can you have short-term tradings and long-term holds? Absolutely. Absolutely. So you can get into a coin and just hold it long-term, and another coin could be short-term in and out. Here is how I focus on buying coins. You clearly see that the coins that I'm picking always have a consistent theme. What is a consistent theme? These are coins that go up. I buy coins that go up. I mean, it's just sort of obvious, but I don't know why. I'm the only one making these videos. I buy coins that just go up and stay up. Every day they go up. I don't buy coins that go down and then I tell you are going to be up in 10 weeks from now. No, I'm not here to do that. There are some people that rather buy a coin and then I will tell you this long narrative about why it's going to make them a millionaire in 4 months from now. But it's down day after day after day after day. And they have this long story about why. No, we don't do that. What we do is we buy a coin that is relatively not that volatile. Volatile means up, down, up, down, up, down. We buy a coin that's relatively calm. It goes up, it's flat. It goes up, it goes flat. It goes up more, it's flat. That's what you want. You know that when you buy something for $1, it's going to go to $1.50. Then maybe you'll stay around $1.50 for a while, then shoot to $2. And then stay around $2 for a while, then shoot to $4. I don't want a coin that I buy at $2, then goes to $1, then goes to $3, then goes to 50 cents, then goes to $4, then goes to 22 cents. I don't want to do that. That gives me heartburn. I don't want that. Some people do that. I don't think they make money on that. Why? Because in the time in which you're holding a coin that's down, you could be holding a Solana, an Aave, a Polygon, a Synthetic, and be making money. For everyone that tells you they have a coin that's going to be making them money in 5 years from now, God bless them. I got coins that are going to make you money in 5 days from now. And so there you go. So let's go back to our picks tonight and why we're adding 2 new coins to the list. Our current picks are unchanged. So we're staying with the 4. Of the best, Polygon remains the best at the moment. Polygon and Aave are having the biggest runs over the last 2-3 days. KUSAMA is the next best after those, and then Cardano is the fourth of the best coins. But guess which coins I'm adding to the list tonight? You heard it. I'm adding Solana and Shiba as new picks. I'm adding Solana and Synthetic as new picks tonight. We are not adding Shiba. So Solana continues to deliver. So Solana is a new pick added tonight with Synthetic. Your top 10 coins of 2021 are Solana, Synthetic, Cardano, Polygon, KUSAMA, and Aave. And we'll see if we add more coins to the mix tomorrow night. Actually, tomorrow morning. You know how we do it. 2 shows a night, 2 shows a day. In the morning, I'm live at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time with Morning's Crypto. Evening's Crypto is this show, taped, but taped right before it airs. And then right after this is the live feed, and you may be watching this live feed. If you're in the live feed, chat with me. If you see me, jump in the live chat. Say, hey, LA. I'm in there all night long. It's a 9-hour live feed, which you may be watching right now. Continues to the next morning. So drop your comments. I love to hear it. Share these videos. Share them on Reddit. Share them on Instagram. Share them on Facebook. Tell people to come on over. This is the fastest growing crypto channel. I want you part of this community. This community is about making you money. This community is not about being fans of coins or armies of this or armies of that. We're here to make you money from day one. Have a lot of fun. Beginners are welcome. I make it easy breezy so you understand everything across the board. And with that, have a beautiful evening. Stay informed, stay focused, keep on smiling. Have a great night, and I'll see you tonight on the live feed. And stay with LA for more.